5-day planner.
East of Monterey Bay, a little over 3 in the Richter scale. Otherwise, all was quiet on the western front. This frontal boundary. Look at the current temperature in Kansas City, 32. Last night at this time, 57. 25-degree turnaround. And you factor in the wind, it's below 0 and way below 0. It's wind chill in Omaha today has been running right around 0. Cold air plunging southward here. Cold air is heading back into Canada here, but the moisture is going to beat it in there. Right now it's sleeting in Vineland, New Jersey, and some light freezing precipitation into Harrisburg. And I'll tell you, we will be overrun with some sleet or snow next few hours in New York City. Then change over to rain. But it's going to be very close to freezing in the morning. You're going to have to be doing some slipping and sliding, especially North Jersey, up into around White Plains and Pound Ridge, and into Fairfield County, Connecticut. Watch it. Interior sections, snow, change to sleet and freezing rain. A winter storm warning's in effect for Albany, New York. Beginning here, lake effect snow continuing here. We've had reports of up to 20 inches of snow from this storm in Wisconsin. And the jet stream coming over the top of it, just plain old rain, temperature 37 degrees. But here in Detroit, it's still 30 or 31 right around town, and it's raining. So more ice is accumulating. There are numerous reports of accidents here in southern lower Michigan. So this may look green on the radar, but it's icy out there on the highways. Notice from which direction these cloud elements are moving here. Radar picking it up from the southwest. We've got warmer air coming up from the south over cooler air. Winds at the surface are coming in from the east or northeast, keeping it cold at the surface, but slowly this cold air is eroding away, and the temperature on I-94 will slowly rise to 33 or 34 by morning rush hour. So there shouldn't be any major problems, but it's the icing, the trees, and power lines down. More on this winter storm. I would not have a big smile on my face unless I were up next to the fireplace inside, because it is cold and it is nasty. We've had ourselves a snowstorm in several states in the upper Midwest, and Wisconsin takes the cake. Pine River, Wisconsin, with 21 inches of snow from this one storm. 21 inches of snow, and nearby Watoma with 20 inches of snow. Watoma right in the middle of the state. La Crosse down in the Mississippi, 15 inches. Oshkosh east of Watoma, 8. Duluth and Eau Claire checking in with 6. And Minneapolis tapering off to some light snow tonight with 4 inches of snow. I'll tell you, this area of the country, aside from the mountains, east and west, has received the most snow anywhere in the United States this winter. This has been the big winter winner of a spot in the United States. This is all snow. This is all snow in Wisconsin. A little freezing rain and sleet around Madison and Janesville. And they're going to see some of that move into Chicago. Chicago, ooh, a close call. 33, 34 degrees right around town. It's been rainy tonight. Just wet streets. No reports of any ice. But some cooler air is going to be seeping in here toward morning rush hour. and it's going to be close. There may even be a few snow showers or sleet pellets for morning rush hour. Right now we're not anticipating any major icing. That's taking place further to the east. Here in southern Lower Michigan. In southern Lower Michigan, we've had a major ice storm tonight, and it continues tonight. Detroit up to Saginaw, westward to Benton Harbor. This whole southern third of the state has been covered with freezing rain. Notice the moist air and a warmer layer above freezing just above the surface. Meanwhile, at the surface on Interstate 94, the temperature is holding right around 30, and it's slowly inching up. So we're not going to be accumulating any snow here. No. In Albany, a winter storm warning in effect. And over the entire Northeast, this slop heads east. By this time, tomorrow afternoon, this slop east. A few sleet pellets now. Vineland and Hamilton, New Jersey, and in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Looks like rain, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Philadelphia, but there's some very dry air through the Lehigh Valley and north and east. And as this moisture overruns it, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. A quick shot of some snow for New York City, then a mix over to some freezing rain, sleet, and then plain old rain during the afternoon. Speaking of rain, where the heaviest rain has been in the...
We go ahead and take our machine here full.